traveling in Greenland can be a fantastic and unforgettable experience. The Greenlandic nature can be harsh at times. Therefore, you should be prepared for your travels before you start your trip. Before you start your trip, you should make sure you check the weather forecast and current conditions. Inform someone you trust about your travel plan and when you expect to return. Check online for information about your trip. You should remember to take the following items with you on your trip. Communication equipment with satellite communication if possible. Remember that there is no mobile phone reception in most of the backcountry areas, even only a short distance out of settlements and towns. Extra layers of warm clothing, food and water. Navigation equipment such as a map or GPS, and make sure you're familiar with how to use them correctly. When you're out on your trip, remember to use all your senses to fully immerse yourself in nature and experience it to the full. Use your senses not only to enjoy the nature around you, but also to look out for potential hazards.